और अभी आपको बराह रास्त ले चलेंगे सुप्रीम कोर्ट, जहां भुट्टो केस की समाअत जारी है।
I think there's an added thing that the trial took place in the High Court.
In the High Court.
Ordinarily, it would have been held in the Sessions Court. Now, we need to, I think later they will address us on the point whether it was by consent or opposed, because that also has to be clarified.
My Lord, much better people will clarify that to your Lordship, but my cursory examination of the record suggests that the order was made even without a notice to the accused, transferring it from the Session Court to the High Court, constitution of a 5-member bench, and cancellation of the bail earlier granted to him.
So sorry again to nudge you, but can you just focus on this aspect? We have not lost sight of this. These are very valid questions, but we want more from you from this constitution.
चीफ जस्टिस की सरबराही में 9 रुकनी बेंच समाअत कर रहा है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो सदारती रेफरेंस पर समाअत जारी है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।